Oh, I think I'm live. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. It's 3 minutes to 2 o'clock on a Wednesday. Typically, I don't live stream this late, but we're gonna have FOMC in 3 minutes. They're gonna the federal funds rate will come out, so that's why I decided to stream at this time. And this morning, I really had a short stream as well. So this stream is for educational purposes only. Not recommending to buy or sell any future contracts or foreign exchange. This is a very competitive market. You need to know exactly what you're doing. And so, with that said, that the disclaimer is just for educational purposes only. Now, this morning I had a low lag on my data. Right now it's about 4 seconds, which is quite a bit. But I had a meeting earlier, so I didn't have a chance to come back and rearrange everything to my VPS. So I'm gonna be trading from my regular computer, but I'm not gonna be trading right at 2 o'clock anyway. So if I do decide to take a position, so I'm gonna let the market settle. Especially at 2:30, we have um, the press conference, which again that's gonna give us another. Um, that's gonna give us another. Let me check here if I can disconnect this. Disconnect this connection because I had tried three different connections and separately, and then each every one of them has that lag. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Um, so right now we see this market been going down from the open really. I mean the open here at 9:30. So since then this market's been going down. So we're gonna favor it long, but there was a zone here, hit the zone and came back. So today we're gonna see a lot of volatility here. I believe if they don't raise rates or if they cut rates, I think this market probably gonna go higher. But if they keep them the same, I think this market might, I think that's the consensus. They're probably gonna keep them the same. So this market might be going lower here. So um, with that said, let's see. It's 2 o'clock. Let me see what this data says. Let's refresh. We're going lower. We're going lower. Uh, they keep it the same. So I don't think the market's gonna like that based on what I've read. So we're going lower at the moment. Let me see if I can find a link. Yeah, we're gonna let this market settle. It's only been a few seconds since that. Okay, get this out the way. Yeah, we're gonna let this market settle. It's gonna go back and forth here. So um, just trying to. This market kind of recovered here pretty well. I'm looking at the 10-minute chart here. Oh, my mic is too low. What about now? Is it better? What about now? Oh, a little better. Okay. Wonder what's. Test, test, test. Okay. Yeah, my mic seems to be a little low. Test, test, test. Test, 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 test. Okay. Oh, I don't know. I think that's why you press the gain. Is it better now? It's good enough. Okay, I'll just try to project my voice a little better. It's a little more. Looks like we're turning to the downside here. That's a matter of okay. Where's a good place to go short here? This market looks like it wants to go lower, and we want to go with it. Um, but fortunate pivot. This pivot here, so yeah, I think so too. I saw the drop at one. Um, as a matter of fact, I think I sent you a message, Jimmy, saying that hey, I just got back home and the market tanked. It was kind of waiting for me. So definitely, there was a big. I think the sentiment in general, the consensus was rate was gonna remain the same. So something happened at 1 o'clock, and that was that drop right here, that candle that closed at 110. If you look at the bottom here, the time that you see is the time where the candle is closing, the time it closed. So definitely it was a big flush down from 71 all the way down to 47. So that's 20, almost 25 points in 10 minutes down and up. So it's bouncing here again. It's finding support the same area. So I wonder if they're gonna break it and go back, go to the 200% initial balance, which I think that's doable here. I'd like to see it a little higher, come back a little higher, maybe to the high IB 100. Oh, it looks like they want to go lower here. Some pivots here that I'm comfortable selling into, even though things are lining up to the downside here. Things are lining up to the downside. Yeah, this is why you don't sell into pivots right here. We're seeing it live. You don't sell into pivots like this. Um, select stream. This thing's saying no current live stream. Okay, there's my stream. I'm not sure what's going on here. If you don't see your stream, try refreshing. I do see my stream. Okay, there you go. All right. So now I can. I was on OBS was telling me how I wasn't streaming. Now this is looks like a double bottom to me because they couldn't get down here. So I think we're gonna be nimble and change our. Yeah, I can see buyers coming in here. I'd like to see a pullback from this range here. Maybe come back in the middle at 55. If they're gonna do that, I'm not sure they will. But things are lining up to the upside at the moment. So let me yeah, I think we're bullish at the moment here. For the moment, it's turning bullish. See right here, if you sell in here, they get you. So all right, now on the bar to the upside here, we may try to go long, but I don't like this candle here. Yeah, if they take this out, 52 and a half. Time in sale, a lot of brown, lots of selling here. And you're gonna see my time in sale not moving as much as because I filter it by five. Only minimum five contracts need to hit the tape for me to for it to be recorded. Okay. Even right here could be a long. We're gonna do a buy and close here. We're gonna do buy and close. If it goes down, it will cancel it. I'm using the NDT, which is yeah, this is what I like with the NDT. Cancel the order. At the moment, it looks like I want to go lower again. So could this be a retest of this area? We don't know yet. Just gotta wait. Wow, look at this push up here. I ain't gonna play FOMO here, but man, look at this. That was some. I think. Look at that block trade. Look at that sell trade here. 806 contracts. So trying to buy into this here. This is a problem. I think we're breaking lower here. So this was just a little maybe take profit from that drop. They're taking profit there, and right now we got a nice bearish ratio. I think it's 5 points would be about right here. So yeah, I think selling here make more sense. Yeah. Well, we are going lower here. Some people trying to buy here, probably getting out of the short. That's why we see those. Yeah, we're gonna make a new low for the day here. There you go. Yeah, I wasn't feeling comfortable selling here because it was kind of close to the pivot, but I did have room for my first target. But in hindsight, it's all look good. Hindsight looks good, but here definitely not gonna sell at the low here. Want to pull back higher. Yeah, I want to pull back. I think right here on the negative bar we might engage short if that's what they're doing, or is it? Alright, I'm gonna put a short order in case. Okay, there you go. So we're gonna extend this here, get the first target, hopefully. Then we're gonna reduce our risk. If we go back up, take this swing high out, we want to be out of this trade. Even right now, we could honestly just reduce it. Yeah, we'll reduce it right now. Yeah. We'll reduce the risk. Honestly, if it wasn't so close to the pivot, I would double my position here and then bring down my stop. So I can still risk the same amount, but it's so close to this. I don't want this to be, doubling my risk right here. Yeah, I got some buyers here. Got some buyers. So probably the sellers will come back and defend that level, but now I feel more comfortable doing that actually. Then I'll bring my stuff back to here. No. There you go. I got stopped out. Again, this is something that I knew that could happen here, but yeah, what a low tick area too. So meaning we should definitely could see a reversal to the upside here. All right. If we make a pullback here and we don't break this low and turn around, we may go long. Because this is the support zone, I guess. This is it. They're defending that zone, and also we're right at the 50 number, so that's a big number here for them to defend. So they go all the way down to 46 and a half. I think the low in this candle was 46 and a quarter. The low on this one was 46 and a quarter. So they went down to the tick. They didn't even go a tick lower, and they're trying to bring it back up here. But they're going to be trying to buy here. Let's see. Can we get a bullish bar here? And we're up a few points. Definitely was up a few points here, but I guess so yeah, this market is definitely. I don't like the term oversold because the market can always go lower, but if I'm looking at the tick indicator, you had a couple low ticks in this area, so this market going higher here, it's a pretty good probability. We've got some divergence on the delta right here. Also, we had some trap traders in this area, so I don't know. Yeah, looks like the proper place for the stop. Oh, they already took me out. All right, so 16. Well, wait then. I'm gonna wait and see what this does. Because obviously here they're just going back and forth. Because I was gonna say the proper stop was really below that low, but by the time I move it, they took it out. Oh. Sellers definitely they broke that zone. Should really let's see less than a whisper kind of here. I'm not sure what's going on. Let me check my volume here from because my volume from the software is actually all the way to the max, so it must be something has to do with my mixer. Oh, is it better now? No, it's just a microphone. So let me go to the mixer and see. It's not much. Okay. Yeah, I'm having some difficulties here. Let's see here. Volume mixer. Okay. Sound system. I have that. Sound manager, audio devices. Let me go in there and see. Recording, microphone. Oh, you know what it is. I think I know what the issue is. I think the wrong microphone got selected. That's what this was. Is it better now? Should be much better. Oh, okay, the wrong microphone. My webcam microphone got selected instead. That's what happened. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's why you couldn't hear me. But typically, my microphone is the one that I'm using now. So actually, I think I might have to lower the volume a little bit. Okay. It's good now. It's perfect. Okay. Good. All right. That sounds good. I think what happened is my microphone got selected wrong. So right now, really, we're not gonna trade anymore until after the press conference. I think. Like right now, they're trying to bring it higher. So there's no rhyme or reason here to be trying to trade. Got um, a couple losses. Again, we kept a loss small. We traded in the MES, which is on a day like today. That's definitely what you want to trade. You want to trade something that, yeah, definitely want to wait for the conference and see what it's going to do, what it's going to say, what the read is. It's not so much what he says. What he says is important, but it's how the market reacts to it, as we know. Because like right now, we're just looking at candles going back and forth with no rhyme or reason. You know, they say timing is everything. I had a couple full-time trades. Both of them could have been winners. One of them was a long. When this turned to the upside, I thought, hey, going higher. Here, I went short, up maybe a couple points. My target was right over here. We didn't get in. So at the moment, we're gonna wait. So right now, it looks like they're gonna be pushing it higher. So yeah, okay, yeah. This market's trying to lift up right here. We can see the buying coming in here. Pretty steady buying. And on the low tick, we got two low tick. The last time we had a low tick down here after a positive bar. That was a nice place to go along here at, was it? It was 105. After that big sell-off, we had some low ticks here, and it went higher. So let's see what it does this time around here. Still back and forth. It's still in that range. I don't want to touch this. Yeah, I think as long as we're in this range here, I don't think I want to think about the market taking the trade. As you can see in the 15 range chart in the middle, it's a nice range here that's been forming. See, it's all ranging after the initial sell-off, going back and forth, trying to find the footing. So we're just gonna wait for the conference, 2:30. Even as the conference is going, typically the market is gonna go kind of haywire. It's gonna go crazy because people don't know exactly what to make of it yet. And then after the conference, that's typically when things will. So I have a feed. I think I have a feed here for the conference. Probably trying to listen to it in the background here. Let's see. Okay. I think bearish is probably the better way to go here. But we're just gonna pick our spots because it's right near the low. Again, don't want to touch this until it gets out of this box here. If there's any question or comments, please use the chat and let me know what you guys are trading, how you guys are doing out there. If you're taking any trades yet, or at the beginning of the stream, right after maybe 5 minutes into, actually 5 minutes after 2:30 to 2 o'clock, I took a couple of trades. I got whipsawed both times. If I want to go back here. think I can't even see. Let's see. Yeah, this is where I went to DT sign. I'm just gonna put. Oh, I do have it on. Do I have do not plot on, or do I have text and marker? Let's see. Oh, you know why it's not gonna show? Because I have the strategy running on here, because I have the strategy for me to take the NDT strategy to take a quick to enter the market quickly. So I can change it over here. Yeah. So it looks like we're selling off in the MES. So as you can see here, I went short here. That was my first entry. We came back and tagged me out. Then we went long. Came back and tagged me out. So this is where it's like a messy area. Honestly, that was kind of a high probability to get stopped out here. But hey, if you don't make any move, you're not gonna get any. You gotta take the risk, and basically really need to let the market settle more. So right, so you're gonna see, might see a push up here because we're at a low 230. Let me see what Powell is saying. Let me go to my let's see. I think oh, you know what? Let's go to Bloomberg. Powell must be saying something nice, because market is pushing higher. Market is pushing higher now. Let's see. Just gonna put it right here. I think Powell is bringing some good news here. The market likes it. The labor markets are broadly in balance. What does that mean, Powell? All right. So let's see if we can go long here with a pullback. The economy is strong. Okay. See if we can get long here. if we were to get stopped out here, I think we might have to just wait later, maybe after 3, because everything is. The sellers. That's the thing here, because it's so volatile. Okay, we're ranging here. That means the sellers are getting some buying coming in here. Okay. Like if we get up here, we're gonna go long, and we reduce our stop. There you go. Oops. Yeah. Don't have it today. All right, I'm gonna stop trading the snooze. Jimmy, how you doing out there? So value area low, serve has resistance here. I really thought this was heading some trap traders to the downside. Yeah. Hip in pocket. Hey, you know what? You're better man than me. So right now it's a back and forth. There's no sense. No sense. We're gonna just have to just hang out here on the stream and I'll look and see if 42 can hold. Yeah. Yeah, they're approaching it. They're approaching it right now, so 42 can definitely be a barrier here, but they may blow through it because there's a lot of. Look at this. I don't know. At the beginning of the stream, I said if they bring this back toward the IB 100%, that would be a good place to short. Maybe I forgot what I said. And I went long right around that area because that area is right here. I went long right here. 56, which is close to it. Yeah, he just went to questions. Yep. Powell just went to questions, so it will never answer that question. What are you asking him? You're asking if the president made a demand. He'll never gonna give you a straight answer. Yes, flying up and down, up and down. Like we already know, timing is everything in trading, right? Thinking this was it, they went further down. Now they're going higher. Because on a day like today, you gotta wait for deep pullbacks. Gotta wait for deep pullbacks. Now they're getting to the VWAP. Let's see if they're gonna blow past that or they're gonna come back down here. Because already got rejected here in this pivot, so let's see if they can. They're gonna break that or come down. Yeah, they're coming down. or is it another pullback to just get a bigger bounce higher here? Okay, we're getting some light blue, meaning we're getting some alignment a little bit. So we're out of that box. Oh, thank God. Okay. So if we're out of this box, I was buying right as we're getting out of the box. I was buying here about 56, and then we went all the way back down. No, we were here about 56. Now, if they come back and test the box and get out again, then that could be a long. Oh, I think I'm too late here. Yeah, too late. Long was over here at 61. It's hitting the view up and that pivot. So can we go back down and go higher here, or maybe we're just gonna break higher? All right. Really, technically, can take 2 more trades. So let's see. All right, let's see if we can go higher here. Get to the next pivot. So I'm gonna take two of my targets and right in front of the pivot. If he breaks it, he breaks it. If not, not. I'm gonna put it right at break even, because that one tick you're trying to save here, sometimes it's not. All right, there you go. So we got a target finally. I'm gone. Good luck. Oh, thanks, Jimmy. Looks like I'm gonna need some luck today. Oh, see if we can buy stop here. Add to the position. See if we go to the next. All this was waiting for the market to align a little better, and then get chopped out here. So with the conference here going, it looks like everything is good. The economy is doing well according to Powell, and it's all honky-dory. So, yeah. Again, we're gonna see if we can get to this. If we get a positive bar here, we're gonna move it right behind it. As a matter of fact, we should probably. This is crazy. I wanted to pull back and move it behind the swing, but it's probably gonna come back down here and give me a break even. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I wanted to give it below this swing here. Okay. We're at a resistance area. I can understand that. High tech, so meaning we should definitely continue to see a sell off. Maybe at VWAP we can try to buy it back here. If we get a positive buy at VWAP, I think they're gonna test. They might test that level. It's ranging here. This is what it did earlier. It was ranging, and I'm like, oh, okay, I got some hope, but I think they may come back down to VWAP. Let's see. Let's see if we can get in here. Well, They did come to view up and did their thing. Yeah, they did. So think we're gonna put a buy stop here if we still in this position. We're not. Okay. No, we're not. Okay. We're just gonna cancel that. Looks like they're testing view up again here. Let's see if we can buy this again. Stop below view up. My ultimate target probably gonna be higher. Let's get the first target. Let's come back here and buy. Oh, they canceled that order because I was trying to double my position. Yeah, because we got taken out here at break even. So it looks like this is what we're trying to play here. We're trying to play around here. Maybe they come back and test the top of this box here at 60. If they do that, that might be a better long. So I'm just gonna wait for that. But the VWAP is holding so far. Came down here, close to it, they got bought. Close to it again, they're buying it. So I think what we may see here is probably a break of VWAP to say, hey, we're going lower and get to about 60. You know, if we get to see a break of VWAP here and a turnaround, then I'll be more interested in buying it because it looks like they're playing around this level, this range right here. So, yeah, I'm not gonna be interested in buying above VWAP here. I want it to come back down. Oh, if it's not gonna come down. So that's it. Okay, so that means we're not gonna go down below VWAP. So we high here. We're definitely approaching the middle of the initial balance, which is that light blue line, that little dotted line at 83. So that could be a resistance area. It was before, so it might be again. Yeah, we're having some high tick in this area, meaning we can be selling off here. We can see a sell off here because they retested. There was one here, there was one here. So meaning seeing a move to the downside here is not. It's not. Yeah, this is definitely like right on cue. It's at the POC. There's a lot of reason for this market to sell off here for a little bit and then probably bounce around the VWAP to the upside, but 67 is right around the lows of this candle, so this is where VWAP is. Once again, this is, I think, there could be some manipulation around that level. Bring it lower, pass VWAP, get some people short, and turn it back to the upside. Because everything that Powell is saying right now, it's saying, hey, everything is fine. So if the market will really believe him, this market will be going higher. I'm not sure if they do, but if they believe him, this market is going to go higher. There you go. Yeah, I'd like to see some more. Again, I could have sold it up here because I kind of called, hey, you know what? It looks like we're testing. We got too low tick after this candle closed at 676. That was a place to sell here, but doesn't look like okay, we're getting some green background, meaning we might be on our way higher here. Got some alignment to the upside, but no, selling is still happening here. Oh, is it? All right. Okay. Remember we said preferably would like them to go below VWAP and turn back around. So let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I think I was trying to be too picky here. Wanted to go closer to VWAP, but looks like we're turning higher. Let me move this out of the way. All right, give me a pullback and just too close to the pivot for me to get back to go along here. But if we do get see, it's ranging here. This is a high risk long. I think I may try it here because it keeps holding it here. It's a matter of, I'm not a breakout trader, but I think the breakout could be imminent here. Oh, why not? Okay. Yeah, I like this pullback. I mean, we wanted to pull back like this, and then I think I'm gonna start trying to buy it here. If it's if we get a positive bar here, we want to be buying. Um, if it goes below 77, it's gonna cancel the order. There you go. There you go. We're right at the POC, so we can understand this is an area that people really want to defend. So I think the next frontier is at 69 here. If we could close this pivot, we might double a position. Because at this point, it's then we'll move our stop. If we get filled in that second position, we'll move our stop closer to the bottom of this candle. Yeah. Nope. 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 All right, that was 5 trades, so I think my quota has been hit as far as taking trades. So we had essentially 5 trades in this session here. 4 losers and 1 winner. The first couple of losers were really me trying to. I was a little premature. I sold here and came back and tagged me. I bought, and then it went my way for a second, and then came back and tagged me out. Then we bought over here. That was the third trade. It wasn't out of the box. Again, gauging on the momentum here, we're gonna go higher. Came back and tagged me out. We buy again, and we're able to get a few points to the upside. But overall, not the best. Yesterday we had a almost perfect session, and today was very, not so much as far as not so much because we had losses. Losses will happen in this market, but I think the first couple of trades were I was a little too excited to trade. So we'll journal about that and get better next time. So with that said, good luck if you keep trading. It's about to be 3 o'clock. I think after the conference here, there's gonna be more movement, but I'm no longer interested in participating in this market. So we'll trade for a different time here. For another day. Tomorrow, Thursday, I'll be streaming in the morning, starting around 9 o'clock. Good luck. God bless. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you for being here.